Want to start your own online business and earn passive income without any tech skills? Imagine launching a kids' printables store in just one day. No designing, no coding, everything done for you. This is exactly what Kiddy Store Fortune does. It's a ready-made WordPress store with preloaded kids' printables, step-by-step training, and marketing materials. Everything you need to start selling online immediately. Parents, teachers, and homeschoolers are buying these digital products every day, meaning there's real money to be made. Here's why this works so well. You don't need any technical skills. Sell unlimited digital products. Evergreen niche. Kids' educational materials are always in demand. Create a passive income stream that works even while you sleep. I've written a full blog guide showing exactly how to start your own kids' printables business with Kiddy Store Fortune. It explains step-by-step how to set up your store, use the pre-made printables, and start making money online. All beginner-friendly. Click the Read More link in the description to check out the full guide and get started today. Don't wait. This is one of the easiest ways to launch an online business in 2025. Start your kids' printables store today and unlock a new source of income. Click the blog link in the description and check it out now.